Do you see Sean doing the Kali Ma thing with Landon? And he laughs so hard.
The weather is rather gray. We're finally on our way over to Busch Gardens at 7:07.
A couple hours in.
Yeah, a couple hours. 7:07 in the PM. I think they close at 10.
Yeah.
The Carlisles were out there. I don't know if they still are. Are they?
Dean said they're probably leaving.
They're probably leaving soon, but he said that it was empty and they just kept riding stuff over and over again. So we're like, maybe we can get a couple of roller coaster rides in and then come back home. Yeah. And if we're back home in time, we're gonna see if maybe we can catch a movie. Ant-Man, possibly, because I really want to see that.
We can stop in Hampton. Hampton Cinema
I will
Cafe.
check the Hampton. Did they upgrade that one? I can't go back to non-reclining seats. I can't do it.
Wow.
From what I understand, your mom made it sound like they upgraded all of them.
I think they did.
I'm gonna Google this really quick. Hopefully it's not super raining when we get out there.
Well, it was pouring at one point, but then it stopped and it started again.
We watched Blockers last night. It was hilarious, and I guess we're gonna watch it again because the movie was so funny. Pretty vulgar movie though, so if you're not into that kind of stuff, then don't watch it. But
yeah,
we are, and it was
there's nudity.
Hilarious. Yeah, there was there was nudity. There was only one instance of nudity, really.
You see John Cena's butt.
I guess if you like John Cena's butt makes an appearance. And then there was
and you see boobies and ping ping.
Yeah, there's one ping ping.
And the eggs.
Oh, you were so the eggs.
You do see the eggs.
You do see the eggs. Anyway, Busch Gardens. So here we go. There's not a lot of people here like Dorothy. Oh my god, Tempesto, yes! I want to ride that like over and over and over again. Ride that till my brain falls out of my ears. Nobody here. We're like at the front parking lot area, which...
Is that one right there?
That is one. It's really tight though, so it's up to you. I believe in you, boo. I got a lot of room on this side if you need to.
So do I. No.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, there's like massive amounts of room. Anyway, we're gonna head in the park, I guess. It's like crazy.
We don't have to ride the tram now.
Yeah, we just walk straight up, right? It's right there.
Yeah.
You literally see the thing right there. Oh man, that is awesome. This is my kind of weather.
Should have brought my thicker one.
That's what she said. We are parked right up front. This is dope. A few hours. How many hours we got?
2.
Chris wants to see if we get any treats. Being pass numbers. Boop. Oh, well. Doop.
Welcome to Busch
Oh my god,
Gardens.
that's...
If your voucher states
that speaker's so loud.
It's
so quiet out here right
down
now.
the hill and
Things
into
scared the
park.
crap out of me.
If you have any questions,
Do we have $10 to spend?
What? We just straight up get $10? You get one, and I get one.
Yes.
Yo.
We each get 2.
continue to your right,
Each of us.
down
Complimentary
the
Busch
hill
Gardens
and into the
one-time
park.
ride quick
If you
queue.
have any
Blackout dates
questions,
of July.
Please visit guest relations.
Today's not the day to use
and
that.
enjoy your day at Busch Gardens.
There's the one single day ticket still.
So we get perks. We get mad perks. Perfect day for me to film stuff for like
Food or
look, we
merchandise.
just got straight up $10 to spend.
Yep.
Chris has got 10, I got 10. We got $20. Hello, Carlisles. Yo. What's up, guys? You guys been here all day?
Yeah.
Hey. What's up, man? How you been?
I do want to do it. Yeah. Where is it? Well, but then you guys want to go to the
I wrote Kristen.
at Knox?
How'd you like it?
I did it twice. I thought it was cool.
Invader. Do it. Oh, that?
What are you talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, was it inside there? Oh no, we were only out here.
Oh, you're only out here? Yeah, there's like a whole thing in here.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It's so bright.
That's cool.
good run through here. Have you ridden this yet? No. Oh yeah. Y'all are in for treats.
Like gladiators.
Yeah, right. Bye, Bella. Huh?
Is that the line? Oh, that is okay.
Move.
We're right here.
Bye, guys. Later. Oh man, I forgot all about it. You could have gotten me so many times.
Thanks for the funnel.
Yeah, definitely. Bye.
Bye, Red.
Until next time.